Hi everybody! Today I thought I'd take a little break from actually building the boat to go over a few terms. They're not nautical terms, but they are woodworking terms that, in this case, is applied to our boat, our Eastport nesting pram that we're building. So, the first one is a rabbet. Okay, this is not the little thing that hop along bunny rabbit, but maybe shows up at Easter. Instead, it's spelled a little differently, Rabbet, and it is a channel, groove, or recess. I had to look it up. A channel, groove, or recess cut out of the edge or face of a surface, especially one intended to receive another member, such as a panel. Well, that just applies directly to our stitch and glue boat because we have panels for creating the boat. We have the bottom panel and the side panels numbered 1 through 4, and each of them have a rabbet. Here's the rabbet cut into this panel, and that rabbet is about 1/8 of an inch lower than the surface, but it was made out of all one board. It's a little hard to hold the camera and the board, but this rabbet, where my fingers are along, fits along the back side of this board, and when I put it all together it will actually fit. The next one is the tenon. The tenons are little protrusions in wood like these. This is the daggerboard trunk assembly, and they stick out and they're meant to go into little holes or indents called mortises. This will fit into mortises in the bulkhead, and this one at the bottom of the boat. And there are also, for this boat, there are tenons on the bulkheads, and I think that's about it. Here, I'm holding on to the temporary bulkhead, which has the tenons sticking down where they're going to fit into the through mortises in the bottom of the boat. Through mortises are when the surface of the wood is cut all the way through. One other one I didn't know before was the counterbore hole that the screws to the bulkhead go into. And the counterbore is basically a wider depression surrounding the head of the screw. Kind of looks like this. And here's what it looks like now with the screw epoxied in. Well, that's it for my dictionary of woodworking terms. Short one today. See you next time.